Okay, now we are back. We are going to be doing this. I'm going to search this box. Yeah, we got a lockpick. Let's do this. We are actually going to do this. Unlocking. Okay, there we go. Okay. Fit. I'm stuck. I can't fit. I can't. You know what? I'm done. We're switching the hero team. Yes. What? Why is this not letting me be in hero? There we go. Yeah. Don't ruin my video. Okay, let's go kill some Quinimals. That's what I really want to do. Let's kill some Quinimals. Oh, it sounds like we already have some in here. Let's go get them. Oh. That's what's up. We got him. Now he's dead. Now let's go kill some more. Need some weapons. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna actually kill some people right now. Okay, let's see. This is good. These guys right here. Oh wait, I see people in cars. Oh, let's fire it. Never mind. It just disappeared. Let's see. Where are the? I heard that. This dude's really trying to aim at me, is he? Who was it? It was a motorcycle. Okay, well, no one's even there. Oh, there's a guy. Dude, how are you shooting? I shot that one guy. How did that guy kill me? Okay, well, I guess I died by a dummy that really wanted to kill me. So, yeah, that sucks. Now, actually, let's, kill more people. Now that I just died, we gotta kill some more. See that guy in the sky? Let's go get him. I saw him in the sky. Where's he going? Okay, well, I'm gonna be the lightning guy because he is way better. And he's way more better than the fire guy. So, let's be this. Let's do this now. Hey. Okay, let's see what that fighter guy is, huh? I'm actually gonna kill him. I know where he is. I know where it was. I was like, oh, there he is. Ooh. Someone tried firing stuff at me. Where at? Yep, there's someone. Dude, these guys are really cheating though. That's the real question here.